Okay, so for today's lesson, we are practicing using both sides of an equal sign to determine whether or not two addition sentences are equal. So what we had the students do is, the first thing we want them to do is decide or find the sum for each. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. We put an equal sign here. Is this correct? If it is true, they put a check mark. If it is false, they put an X. So here I have 9 plus 1. If your child still needs to do circles, they can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1. And then they can add those up and find that 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. Are those equal? They are not. So we put an X. You can put little sample problems like this together for your child. Just put two simple problems with an answer of less than 10 on each side, and then have them determine if those are equal or not equal. Same thing here. They would do 2 plus 3 equals 5, 1 plus 4 equals 5. I put an equal sign, and if it's the same, they do a check mark, and if it was not the same, they do an X. Another type of problem that we did was we had to see which balloons match the number that she was thinking of. So in this particular problem, the student is thinking of the number 7. So again, they have to solve each problem. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. And over here, we had them find the two that were 7, and we had them color those in with a crayon. But then they can write that 5 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 3. Then they know that this is 7 and this is 7, so those are equal. Now their homework tonight looks a little bit different, and I wanted to show you the homework because I'm not going to have them do all of it. There's a specific part they're not going to do. So at the top it says they are not equal, so make them equal and write a true number sentence. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 5 plus 4, which we know equals 9. And now we want this side to equal 9 also. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to keep going until we get to 9. 7, 8, 9. So now we have 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay. Now on the bottom part it says to circle the true number sentence and rewrite the false sentences. We are not quite here yet for rewriting, so I want them to circle it if it's, or put a check if it's correct. So 4 does equal 4. And then here, so like 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. I just want them to write an X. If they're up for the challenge of trying to make that correct, they could do like 6 plus 1 equals 6 plus 1. Or come up with another equation, but we are not really quite there yet. Again, here they would do 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. So those are equal, so we would put a check mark. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Yes, they are equal, so we put a check mark. Okay, so they would just continue like this. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Nope, those are not equal. Okay, and then on the back, now these they need a lot of practice on. There's also a lot of open space at the bottom. You can make up your own problems for your child. We want them to remember that this needs to equal this. Sometimes I even have them do this and pretend like it's like a tray there. So if this side equals 8, then I want to make this side equal 8. So I'm going to start at 4 and go 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I put 4 there. Okay. Over this side I have a tray and a tray. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Oh, well this side already has 9. So do I need any more? I do not. Okay, last one I'll show you. 5 plus 2 equals 7. I'm going to start at 4 and keep going. 5, 6, 7. So that's 3. And now they both equal 7. And you can make problems up for your child. you can just put an equal sign and then give them two problems. So 3 plus 2, and you know that's 5, so then you would give them maybe 4 plus, and then have an empty spot there. And they would solve 5, and then they would start at 4 and keep going until they got to 5 to figure out that that's 1.